guys. Check out these loaded sweet potatoes. If you're looking to figure out what you want for dinner tonight, you're at the right spot. Go check out the video. You guys, look at this. This is loaded chicken. Look at there. Oh my goodness. You guys, you're at the right spot. Come on in and sit down and let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back. So today you guys, first of all, how's everybody doing today? Good. Because your girl is back with another video. So today you guys, we are doing some baked potatoes. Some loaded baked potatoes, mind you. You guys. So the first step to these loaded baked potatoes is we're going to add some olive oil. Yes. We're going to add some olive oil onto the potatoes. And yeah, we're going to rub it in. So we're going to rub them on in. We're going to get that up off that pan. Waste not, want not. Right? You guys, how many of you guys love baked potatoes? We're not going to add bacon because we're going to turn these into chicken. Loaded potatoes. Yes, you guys. And so our second step is we're going to take our potatoes and we're going to put some holes in it. Okay, not many, maybe 6. Okay, well, we'll put an extra one right there, 7 holes. And that is the first step we're going to do to doing these potatoes. Okay, and we're going to bake these. We're going to bake the potatoes. This one seemed like it'll get done quicker. Yeah, we're going to put it, we're going to set these over here for a quick second, you guys. Because your girl want to put this oil right here on this pan. Because either way it go, even if we have the aluminum foil, I just like to protect my pan. So we're going to go ahead and wrap these potatoes up. Just like so. And we're going to stick it right in the oven. Now we're going to bake them at 400. And yeah, we'll see you when the next step is ready. Ooh. Okay guys, so we got our potatoes right where we want them. They're good and tender. Oh, look how soft that cut is. Ooh, you see the smoke? So yes, see the goldenness on the bottom? So we're going to just go on and cut this potato right on open. Oh, look at that. I'm sorry if my hand is in the way, you guys. But these potatoes are so good. Okay, but anywho, we're going to go ahead and fluff it. Just like so. Because we want to fluff them on up. Oh, look at there, you guys. Just nice and tender. Let's get out with some room. Okay. Now my next step is we're going to add us a little of this garlic butter mixture. We're going to mix that right on in here. You can make your potato any way you want. Even if you don't want a lot of butter. Well, I think I want a little more butter in these potatoes. Well, this is a spread I'm using, Imperial. Okay, so our next step is we're gonna go ahead and add us some chicken. We're going to add the little juice right on in there. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead, add us a couple of shrimp. Wow. I'm going to add us some cheese. Okay. You guys, I gotta come back. Yes, I was having trouble opening that cheese up. So we're gonna pile some cheese on here. Just like so. Because it's your potato. I think you guys can guess which one is mine. I want extra shrimp. And I know Carter do too. So we're going to put us a dab of more garlic butter. And we're going to slide this on back into the oven for maybe approximately just enough time to melt the butter. You guys, check out these potatoes. You guys, if you haven't already tried loaded potatoes, go ahead, try that recipe. And yes, put whatever ingredients you like on your potato. But meantime, you guys, check out that goodness. Oh my God. Yes. These potatoes look so beautiful. So beautiful. But your girl got to reach over here and get a fork. Because she got to taste that big old shrimp sitting over here in that corner. Mm-hmm. You want the bite? Go ahead. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Nice and fluffy. Oh my goodness. Mm-hmm. Look at that pour. That's some cheese down there, you guys. So yeah, you girl. I was in the mood for some loaded potato. And so yeah, this is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to like, comment, and share. And yes, tell everyone what your girl is doing on her channel. Share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her videos. Okay? Sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.